डिफेंस कॉलोनी पॉपुलरली नोन एज डेफ कॉल की लोकेशन पर आज हम आ चुके हैं एक नए बिल्डर फ्लोर को रिप्रेजेंट करने थ्रू द नेस्टोरी. Hello and welcome to the Nestory Originals. Today we are going to review this 325 square yards of beauty at Def Call, Delhi. Now this is the entrance of your grand home at Defense Colony, and as soon as you enter this side, your private area starts. That is the gallery section that you can utilize for your family setup. Now we will enter into the master bedroom of this property, which is beautiful, luxurious and pretty much matches my aesthetic. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ मुझे इस घर की फंक्शनैलिटी में ये लग रही है कि यहाँ पर यूजुअली आप देखेंगे दिल्ली के बिल्डर फ्लोर्स में होता है कि प्रॉपर्टीज़ के जस्ट पीछे कोई और बाउंड्रीज होती हैं, कोई और बिल्डिंग्स लगी होती हैं, बट हियर एट माई बैक साइड इज़ अ पार्क, इज़ अ ग्रीन एरिया, एंड उसके बाद कुछ नई बिल्डिंग्स आनी शुरू होती हैं. So this I felt is pretty much the best part about this builder floor at Def Call. Now as you will move forward to other section of your private area, you will find there is another washroom here जो आपके guests use कर सकते हैं, and this is another room with the inbuilt cupboards and another entrance to the same washroom that we saw earlier. Again यहाँ पर भी ventilation and sunlight has proper structure. Now we enter the third bedroom of the house, which comes with an attached washroom and very aesthetic interiors. The colors are nude and tasteful. Here will be your cupboard section, and this will be your attached balcony that opens up to a nice natural green area. Now the most amazing part of this property that I really loved we'll cover at the last. Currently let me show you how your kitchen area looks like in this builder floor. Everything has its own place. The sink, the chimney and hob section, the oven OTG concepts are there, and there's maximum space allowed for your fridge to go in. And here is another bedroom of this property that comes with an attached washroom. Interiors यहाँ पर केन का आपको इस्तेमाल दिख रहा होगा. Cane is pretty much in these days when it comes to interiors. Centralized air conditioning का concept आपको इस घर में मिल जाएगा. And here is the view, the front view of this particular floor, which I would want to show you from the living and dining space. Now this is a massive space for hosting all your parties. Now this could be the backdrop of your living area. आप चाहें तो इस एरिया को लिविंग स्पेस और उसे डाइनिंग एरिया बना सकते हैं, और यू कैन जस्ट मिक्स एंड मैच एंड experiment of course, and then you can just utilize that space however you like. You can make it a family lounge as well. Now let me show you how the balcony of this property looks like. Right at the back is the JLN Stadium. Direct views हैं JLN Stadium के इस builder floor से, and we are currently at the third floor of this property. A great balcony size, proper ventilation and sunlight was pretty much at the back side of this property. Right now we are shooting at around 1 PM in the afternoon, so you can understand कि यहाँ पर कब sunlight आती है कौन से section में. And the ventilation here is amazing. I really love कि back side में कोई और property नहीं है, सामने का व्यू ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. So this is a pretty unique thing about this Def Call builder floor. और यहाँ पर जो इस वक्त प्राइसिंग चल रही है वो है 11 crores. And if you'd like to know more about this property and its availability, then you have to dial the number given below. so much for tuning in to the Nest Story. हम इसी तरह आपके लिए ब्यूटीफुल घर लेकर आते रहेंगे. कैसी लगी आपको ये आज की प्रॉपर्टी? प्लीज टेल अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. और भी ऐसी स्टनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज देखने के लिए नेस्ट स्टोरी को इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. प्लीज टेक केयर. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोस वेरी वेरी सून. नमस्कार. बाय.